Hey everyone, John Henry here, Slingshot Futures Trading Group. Thanks for joining me in today's video. Before we start, take a second to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to click the notification bell icon so you don't miss our next live stream or next video launch here on YouTube every day. Make sure you start your day off the right way. Don't forget your free morning brief that's waiting for you at ssftg.com/brief. In the top left, you can click on morning brief to jump into that. That's where you'll find all of our major DP levels right up here at the top, as well as a quick technical overview for the major 6 markets that we look at: the NASDAQ, the S&P, you've got gold, crude oil, the euro, as well as Bitcoin. Maybe you're looking to get a full game plan for the day, week, or month. Check out the join button below. Level 1 subs get a brand new members only video every single morning going over the major 6 markets and a game plan for the day. In addition to that, once a week I launch a weekly brief, and of course once a month we have our monthly brief as well. Of course, all members gain access to our private Discord chat server, and if you really want to get into the nitty-gritty, check out the live analysis room for level 2 subs, where you can see my screens in real time during the New York Stock Exchange Open. You can ask questions and interact with the other members, as well as bounce ideas off myself and everyone else. It's a fantastic environment, and I would love to see you in there. All right, and now on to the really fun stuff, the topic for today. Trading without a game plan. Start off by always planning your trade. You have to have a plan for your trade. You have to fully understand the risk of the setup before you can even consider the rewards, right? Most people look at the reward first, and that can really easily cloud your judgment, because then you're going to be focusing on how much money you can make instead of how much money you can lose. Without your plan, you're going to have trouble finding a way into a trade, or worse, finding your way out of a bad trade, right? That's 100 times worse. By not having a plan, you aren't prepared for the trade, whether it's good or bad. It's just not a good situation. Now remember, this isn't the end of the battle, right? Don't give up and leave feeling defeated just yet. We've all been there. The first step that you absolutely have to take is you have to have a solid trade plan. What to do when XYZ happens, right? You've got to have it all laid out. Without this, you're just getting ready for failure, whether you know it or not. Don't make your plan complicated, right? Keep it super simple. You know the old saying, KISS, keep it simple, stupid, or keep it stupid, simple, or whatever it is. But go through and write up and mark down your top 1 to 3 plays, or your top 1 to 5 plays, or whatever it is. If you're a member of the SSFTG Day Trading Academy, then maybe your favorite pattern's the FFFL1 or the TUL2. Awesome, right? That's great. Stick with those and create a plan around them. Oh, and side note on the Academy, we just launched for 2021. Woo! And if you haven't seen it yet, you're seriously missing out. It brings you from start to finish of the trading approach that we use, the strategies that we implement rather, and tons more. Not to mention the crazy discount that you get right now through January. Actually, let me see here. It should be right on the main page. Yeah, right there. Bingo. So it's right on the main page there. But, I mean, you get this crazy discount, 21% for just starting off with 2021. I think we all need a fresh start after 2020. That was pretty brutal. But on top of that, if you look a little bit lower, the Academy is something that you can use as a coupon to upgrading to the full VIP. So your entirety of the Academy can be used to upgrade to VIP, essentially making it free, basically. And if you don't like it, then you don't have to continue on. It's a really cool way to kind of bring in the median, but still allow you to see what's going on. So anyway, you know, just saying, there's a lot of good stuff there. But anyway, start by literally hand drawing them down on a piece of paper or something. For me, I use a Rocketbook as my go-to journal 100% of the time. These things are incredible. Oh, and a side note about the Rocket book. I'll put a link in the description for it, but these things are seriously amazing. I've got one laying around here. I've actually got a couple laying here. But they're fully erasable notebooks that you can write in and write down all of your different notes. You can write down all of your trade plans. You can write down everything you need in these. And once you have them all locked down, you can erase them, rewrite them. You can also scan it with your phone and send it to your Gmail drive. I just realized my daughter left me, let me make sure the notes are okay. Yeah, my daughter just left me a fun little picture on there. But the cool thing with these are that you can erase them. And once you erase them, not that I would love to get rid of my daughter's lovely drawing, but the cool thing is, if I want to save it, I can take a picture of it with my phone and send it to my Gmail account so I don't lose it. Then I can erase it and reuse it again. These things are seriously so awesome. I can't recommend them enough. But really memorize your plans. Go over them and over them and over them and over them and over them again. Erase them out of the journal. Redraw them until you understand every aspect of the setup. How it forms, how to technically mark it, how entries and exits and targets and probabilities. Keep it simple, right? Don't go overboard. It's got to be something that you can keep in your mind and memorize. But then you can erase it out of the journal. You can redraw it back in and just keep doing it over and over until you have everything locked down. That's why it's good to only have like 1 to 3 setups. But really take the time to have your setups on lock. So when it's at the heat of the moment, it's the heat of the moment, that's a good song, comes and you need to strike, there isn't hesitation because you know the plan like the back of your hand, right? There's no questioning. I know exactly what to do when this happens, and this happens. I know where my targets go. I know where my stops go. I know everything about the setup, and there's absolutely zero questioning. Zero questioning means zero hesitation when it's time to strike. But anyway, that's going to do it. So like we always say, stay safe out there. Keep those stops in play. Let the winners run. Until the next time, have a good one. We'll see y'all then. Thanks. Bye.